Self-studying for a new certification in medical coding, but feel like you're hitting a wall? Or maybe the material is making sense to you, but you find your motivation starting to lag behind?
Hey everybody, welcome to Study Group. Let's get started.
Live online study groups. Maybe just what you need to see real results in your self-study program.
Alright, here's another question for y'all. What is the correct code for a secondary malignant neoplasm of the cerebral meninges?
Not only will you get to join Madison, a certified coding instructor with over a decade of industry experience, but you'll also become part of a supportive community of students just like you.
Here's another one for y'all. What is the correct way to report a renal function panel and electrolyte panel? We just talked about this one last week, reporting multiple panels and reporting multiple lab tests. Alright, so now let's dive into some E&M cases. Ready for some timed drills? Let's get started.
Ask coding questions, practice hands-on with live coding walkthroughs, improve your speed with time drills, and so much more. Madison sets the stage for productive study, but each session is what you and your fellow coding students make it.
Hey, that's a great question. So as you're reading over your documentation, you really want to be sure that it matches up with your code description.
Share tips and insights, be accountable, and celebrate successes together.
That's right. So see how important it is to know your medical terminology? Now you know the difference between marsupialization and excision and excision.
Don't miss out. Study groups are limited. Register and join us at our next study group session.